Shall we have a look in here, folks? See what's going on? Oh my golly! A forest! A forest! An absolute forest of broad beans! How beautiful! Shall we take a closer look? Look at those beautiful flowers! Aren't they just splendid? And they smell delightful. What else is happening here? What's down here? Oh my gosh! Cabbages! Something's been nibbling at them. Are you alright, cabbage? Yeah, I'm okay. What's been happening? Has something been nibbling at your leaves? Yes. I think it may be a rabbit or a pigeon. You must remember to close the polytunnel tonight. Oh, you've got plenty of friends in here. They don't look too bad. Are you alright, chaps? Yes, not too bad. Okay, that's good. Let's go back to these lovely broad beans again. See what else we can see. Oh my gosh! I can see some babies. There they are. Hello, babies. Are you okay? Yes, we're okay. Good, good. What are you doing? We're just waiting to get bigger so you can pick us. Okay. Do you mind being eaten? Not really, but please don't put us in the freezer. We don't like that. Okay, I'll make sure you get eaten first, especially you. Little beauty. There we go. A forest, a forest, a forest of broad beans with beautiful flowers. Well, we better say goodnight, broad beans. So we're going to shut the polytunnel door and we're going. Have a very nice evening and see you in the morning. And we'll do some nice watering, shall we? Oh, yes, please. Okay, bye for now. Bye.